Bisan paggaowan-uwan, padayon gihapon sa among giplanuhan. Kay hagbay radyod kanina mong gisabutan. Ug maayo jong nadayunan. Mga tumigkananan sa kung asa, school ID ramong kailangan. Nangutana po ko sa iha gadala ba siya? Ang ihang tubag, naa na. So sa gihuwat nato, siga ang suga, go!
Boy, kahagard. Hagardo versus sa pangandam. Kay atubangon nimo imong madam, wop, transition. Mga ni si madam. Gikan sa Colon padong diri sa Fuente Circle, pwede ka musud sa Mango Avenue ug atbang ato mao ang Wingers Unlimited, unlimited wings, rice and fries.
Price range starts at 429 if lunch, 449 if dinner, and that consists of unlimited fries, rice, drinks, ice creams, and wings. Nadagang promo such as student rate at 299 mao ni among gi-avail. All you need is a school ID and you will enjoy the flavors of Wingers Unlimited. Student rate promo, they will serve you unlimited boneless chicken, 2 rice, and a bottled water. Nag-add-ons rami. Fries, 1 serving is 89 pesos, walang Pepsi is 60 pesos.
I-challenge na ka, makahurot ka 50 yan.
Challenge.
Iman tayo.
And with that being said, let's start. Jando first, akong gitilwan. Sweet, spicy. That's the flavor of it. A mouth-watery, and that's 1 down. Sunod is ang Sergeant Garlic Pepper, a flavor that has perfectly balanced low-salt blend. 2 down, and next is Major Barbecue. Extracts juices from the meat to create a savory flavor. Okay, tabda ka na, kapiyong-piyong na.
Mga kabiyaheros, sa tanan mga flavors. Kaning flavor akong bias, mustard.
The sweet mustard the Colonel had tenderizes the meat inside the chicken, and that made it my all-time favorite flavor in Wingers Unlimited. It, 4 down.
And how can you not appreciate their theme? It's about military. Either it may be their style, their atmosphere, or the flavors of their chicken served.
And mao kadto mga detalye na dapat nang may bawon diri sa Wingers Unlimited. Sa among pagkaon dira nakarot na og siyam. 9 down. Og pwede sab kayo nimo i-dip imong french fries diri. Mas muad pag flavoran ni and dira mas mulami pa ang kaon.
Nam. Happy ka?
So was it worth it? O tanaw lang na niya, happy kayo.
Kung saan naman 50?
Ay, da, next sportive.
Boy, Carlo ni boy.
Napo lang ako tob kaya awo namabdos ta. Busog, lusog na ang mga kabiyaheros.
Thank you.
Thank you sa mga crew nga ni-accommodate na mo diri sa Wingers Unlimited and ma-feel jud nimo ilahang warm welcome and vibrant atmosphere at the same time ilang disiplina that goes along with their theme as military. And that's it for today's video mga kabiyaheros.
Ano, sama ko sa biyahe ni Nico. Let's go!
And I hope you like this video, and if you do, please leave a like button and share with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for laging updated.